Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. Aquarius, we have lilies, fox and rider. So Aquarius, in your situation today, guys, there is a person maybe from your work or this person may be from your family. So they are here as your friend or a family member, but they are hiding their true emotions or feelings. So they have some bad intentions towards you. You need to be careful with this person, guys. And they are here in connection with you, maybe just to benefit themselves. They are trying to use your skills and talents to benefit themselves. So you have to be very attentive, careful. If you have an idea who it is, you have to stay away from this person, Aquarius. And Aquarius, I also see that you and your person you love, you share a beautiful understanding and a deep bond. There is a great intimacy, harmony and balance in this connection, guys. And you both share a very intimate, passionate times together, and you have things going in a very positive way. And this connection is something really, a very deep connection. This person may be your soulmate, guys. That may be the reason for this level of depth or communication you have with this person. And you feel really equal to this person in every way. Maybe the way you are, maybe in your physical appearances and your status in your work situation or in your life, whatever it is, you both look like a perfect match for each other. And you look like you are made for each other, guys. And you share a beautiful bond with this person. And maybe you are planning to get married or get engaged to this person. And maybe, guys, there is some big news or announcement coming. Maybe this person is coming with a big announcement today, or you are going with the big news or announcement today. Maybe you are proposing to them to get married, or they are proposing to you. So some positive news is also reaching you today, Aquarius. It may be regarding this relationship, or it may be a positive news in your work situation, guys. So that is what I see, guys. And it may be something which you were expecting for some time now, guys. You were expecting this positive news in your life, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Clover. So we also have good luck working for you guys. So it is going to be marriage announcement today, Aquarius, for sure, or engagement. This person is definitely proposing to you. That is what I see with this card. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Fish. So you are proceeding in a positive way. Lot of opportunities taking you towards success, but there are also some obstacles for you. Maybe you are doing certain things that is obstructing your work potential. Maybe some repetitive behavior. You may have some addictions, or there is someone having some addictions in your work that is affecting your work potential. If that is the case, you have to go for moderation, guys. or try to avoid these addictive behavior. That is going to help you in a very positive way, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality. And the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone. And people close to you, it may be your family members or friends, whoever it is, they are trying to control your decisions and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened and you are in a lot of stress and troubles, but whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your true love will come to you. For sure, it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.